Hello everyone, this is Jingo, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the things that you don't know about Facebook, those that are behind the scenes, and things that you need to know about Facebook ads in order to understand the nature of the thing and make it work for your business or your clients. The truth is, there are ingredients and recipes that works for an effective Facebook ads campaign when you combine it with effective marketing for a different business or niche. Facebook ads is literally a system, and marketing is part of a whole that makes it come up with the result every business is hoping to achieve. Combining all of these together and design it according to your own business, you can probably run a Facebook campaign on a lot more effective way. Facebook's main goal is to keep the users happy. That's the key ingredient. The rest all fall at the background. Yung iba po, puro mga background work na lang yan. The first thing that we need to consider is the user experience. It's just that important para po kay Facebook, ang user experience. Kasi iyan yung kanilang produkto, yung mga users. So that's why we are wanting to advertise on their platform dahil sa mga users na meron sila. So they want these users to be having a pleasant experience whenever they jump onto Facebook and doing their thing over there. Yung right messaging, image structure, ad copy, and the landing pages are all background work. All you need to do is to have passion for people. Kasi if you're passionate about people, ganun din yung magiging goal mo, yung ma-please sila. So it will be easy. It will come out naturally for you to create an ad that has that could possibly give the users a pleasant experience. If people are engaging with your ad sensibly, papaboran ka ni Facebook. If we have an ad placement, meron doon sa ads na yon na 3 dots doon sa right. If the audience hide or report our ads, it will have a very negative impact not just to the ad but to the whole business manager, especially the ads manager. Facebook is like the mechanics of the inside of a wristwatch. That's for example. Now, what's inside the watch? All watches delivers the same purpose. It tells you time. Yun lang ang purpose niya talaga. But manufacturers need to create different ones, yung iba't ibang design to cater to different market. Kasi merong for women, for men, for children, for sports, and etc. etc. That's basically is what testing different ad copy, creatives, funnels, etc. for. To find out what works best and find out what works for which audience. Actually, there's no secret. Do not compare yourselves to other marketers showing screenshots of their analytics or their return of ad spends from their e-com stores and Facebook ads. Kasi you didn't know what transpired bago nila nakuha yon. And of course, different strategy for different businesses. You should go steady and you should go easy. Work on your own product and find your own strategy slowly but surely. You need to have the right mindset too. Why? If you believe mindset is not important, then go ahead and just create an ad out of what you know. Those who don't believe about testing and scaling are not equipped with the right instruments to beat this battlefield. There is risk involved with Facebook ads. Laging meron. And if you are willing to take that risk, you will try everything. But if you are able to come up with your goal or achieve the goal that you are trying to target, well, that's a win-win. There are 4 categories para sa mga tao na nag-a-ads or yung mga advertisers. Yung iba, they go for slow scale, low reward, low risk. Yung iba naman, they go for fast scale, but low reward. Risky pa rin yun. I don't recommend that. Some advertisers go for fast scale with high reward. Well, are you equipped to do that? Alam mo na ba talaga yung gagawin mo? That's very risky, pero high reward. That's very risky, pero high reward. Now, I go for slow scale with high reward. Dahan-dahan hanggang makuha mo yung perfect combination ng iyong ads, and then dun ka mag-start na mag-scale. Hanggang makuha mo yung high reward with slow risk. So, I recommend that part. Slow scale with high reward. Well, I can consider myself to fall on that category. If you do not fall on the right category, you have the tendency to give up, thinking nothing is happening with your ads at all. But if you have that persistency in getting your ads done for the sake of your business, whether it's your own or for your clients, you're gonna get there. So now you know, that's it for now, and I'll see you next video.